Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. In this today video, we'll see how you can deploy the Uptime Kuma and how you can use it. So first of all, the people who is not aware what exactly the Uptime Kuma is. Uptime Kuma is a web-based monitoring tool that you can set up in your home environment. If you want to set this up in the cloud, you can also do that. In this particular video, I will set it up in my Homelab using the Orbstack. You can apply the same method even if you're deploying it in any cloud platform. Okay, so this is exactly the tool is. I will make sure I will have this URL in the description so you can also come here and have a look by yourself. So let's just open my Visual Code, and if you see, this is the Docker Compose file that I'm about to use. So first thing first, this is the service. My service name is Uptime Kuma. The image that I'm using, this is the volume that I created. As you all know, I like all my Docker volume or all my Docker services should be in a separate folder. So that's the reason I created it like that. If you're following this video, you can also achieve something like that. This is the port that I'm using, this is the restart policy, and this is the network. I will see in this video what exactly this network is. So let's just see. So first of all, we'll do this. Let's come to the home, let's go to the desktop, then Docker images, we'll do a clear, we'll do ls. So here we have the file. So first of all, we'll see what exactly the Docker network is. So I created a separate network in my environment that take care of all the Docker services. In order to list that, you can run docker network ls. So as you can see here, this is the lab network. Now let's just run this file. So how you can run this file? You need to run docker compose -f. The file name is Uptime Kuma up-d. It will take some time as this image is already in my system, so it did not take such a long time. Let's see how to verify whether our container is running or not. So you need to run a simple command docker ps-a grep-i uptime. So you can see this is my container that is running. How you can verify it? You can open the Orbstack. You can see this is the container that we are running. We'll click on this link file, so it is open over here. So the initial setup looks something like that. I already set this up, but for this, so this is your initial setup will look like. The password is already set it up. So let's just open our Nginx. So this is our Nginx server. Regarding that, I already created a video. You just need to click on this. So this is our server. So we'll copy this URL. If you want to add it, you can just add new monitor. We'll use the ping. We'll set name as a web server. This is our host name, and these are all the different settings that you can use, and just click on the save. Okay, yes, because this is ping, so we need not to add the HTTPS, and here we go. So this is how you can use the Uptime Kuma. Like this, you can add multiple things over here. Like if you click on add new monitor, so there are lots of things that you can have it. Like you can test with the ping, HTTPS. If you want to have a specific keyword on the website that you want to monitor, you can also have that. If you are using a Docker container that you want to check from there, you can also do that. So like that, you can do a couple of things. So there is something called status pages. So this is the status page that I created. So you can do that. You can just click over here. You can select a monitor that I already have, the web server. You can select it over there, and this is your status page look like. I hope this video give you an background what exactly is Uptime Kuma is, how you can deploy it, and how you can add the monitor to this. So I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestion, please let me know in the description. I will make sure I will add the description, the compose file in the description, the URL, all the available URLs, so it will be easy for you to follow. If you have any suggestion, any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I will more than happy to assist you further with that. So that's all for this video. We'll catch up on the next one. Till the time, peace.